The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Yung krek kam ke District Hub for Empowerment of Women yung kachanat Social Welfare, cerup ia krek lang wak yung krek kam ke District School Education Officer West Giant Hills, dapan man ki ye Lekmen Children's Day ha auditorium hall ke kiang nang ba Government College Jowai, ha ka khat sotri uni ubanai ha jerong kapang for every child every right. Wei kam chibynta ka ni ka singi dapan kup burom le kam waso pau ngut tam ki khynnah skur ki wada poi chakmat hei pure puthi kam ju hei le ki sports waper. Hagani ka singi le kamen ka vivo tulu kizo subdivisional officer Sardar Jowai daman ka kam ka kongsan he lang ka Dr. Waisa Sumer District School Education Officer Jowai toy principal kiang nang ba Government College Jowai ka Wainajer District Social Welfare Officer ki wasikai ki khynnah skur wa perwa kiwi. Kakongsan hawa kalam di ikhublay singi kerpang ko yawaro ki khynnah skur na jerong wayaro ka le yay nam burom wadara ki lahayato ipure puthi na ile ki sport. Ongko ipenman kami ni le burom man le kalat wa mensin cucu yaki khynnah wa depan kan mu haro ko yaki khynnah wa ini ijob yong ki ini wadab le mputo iwakun kam de kentu ko wa puten cucu sam chakmat wa le yakathong wa he hawapan kan mu wa yakintin yo jangai ujawa halar neru iwa ongo ki khynnah wa kan ni to ki wapan wandur ya kemenrin daban jur ko hajrong kam wa saindur bahaya ki khynnah hawaro ki liang wa kan thup le ipure puthi wa ru kam im wa bahawa mian. Dapan rap haro ko hajrong kam wo pelut rap bon he to wo penku yaki khynnah wakat ni khnang yo yi ki ukre nei benta ka manret kari he to wo I benta yong ki man bay man pa wa ki wasikai le yero hi ko yaki nei baha wa ki le ki ka benta open wandur yaki khon yaki khynnah yo he usan gi he do ipran wa ibor stat chempang dakan tu haro ko yaki khynnah skur wo man ki bachim khia o wanra I chaji khia he do ipran ibor perkhan he mensin wo le I wa bhatam hai waniwan I wa mut wa mangi.
School at Ngut 2025 for his outstanding achievement securing the 17th position of Government Boys High Secondary School, for his outstanding securing the 5th position in the merit list of Higher Secondary School Higher Secondary School Jowai, for outstanding performance for securing gold and silver medal in the 600 meters. Mr. Felix San Sati of Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai, for his outstanding. Ms. Pidalan Malang of CM of Government College